Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are good. I am Khushpreet, your class teacher. Students, today we are going to do our next theme, that is colors. And our today's topic is identification of colors. Okay? Okay, students, firstly sit in a circle and identify the different colors. One by one, your class teacher will call out any one color and you have to give answer by saying any vegetable of that particular color. Okay? I repeat this again. Your class teacher will call out any color and you have to give answer by saying any vegetable of that particular color. For example, your teacher will call out the color green and you give answer and speak the green color vegetable like cucumber. Okay? Next color is yellow and the vegetable that is of yellow color is capsicum. Okay, like this. After this, after the identification of colors, now students, I am going to show you the flashcards of different colors and you speak after me and learn the colors. This is red color. This one is blue color, yellow color, green color, black color, purple color, white color, pink color. Okay. Now again, red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, black color, purple color, white color and pink color. Okay, these are the some flashcards of different color. Okay, students, you learn the colors. Now after this I am going to recite the rhyme, that is color song. Red at the apple on the tree, green is the parrot flying free, yellow is the sun up so high, blue is the sky where the birds fly, white is the ice cream some love to eat, black is the crow waiting for a treat. Now again. Red are the apples on the tree, green is the parrot flying free, yellow is the sun up so high, blue is the sky where the birds fly, white is the ice cream some love to eat, black is the crow waiting for a treat. Okay, students. After reciting this rhyme, now let's do an activity with our palms. In this activity, pick up any paint color. Okay, and after that dip your palms of both hands. In this activity, firstly dip your hands in any one color and after that rub your palms with the palms of another child. Okay, and then see which color appears after rubbing both the hands. Okay, I repeat this activity again. Firstly, dip your palms of both the hands in one color, and after that rub your palms with the palm of another child, and then see which color appears after rubbing both the hands. Okay. For example, a child who has red color on his or her palm and another have blue color, and the new color that is formed is purple color. Okay, like this. You also try to do this activity with your with your brother, sister, sibling, parents, with anyone. Okay, after doing this activity, now let's do another activity. In this activity we need a sheet of paper. Okay, on this sheet, with the help of pencil, make rainbow like this. Okay, and after making rainbow, now fill the colors in the rainbow. And I think that you all know about the 7 colors of rainbow, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. These are the 7 colors of rainbow. Okay. Firstly, make rainbow with the help of pencil on a sheet of paper, and after that with the help of colors you make the rainbow like this. As you seen in this picture, students, a perfect rainbow with colors, 7 colors. Okay, you also try to do this activity. Okay, students, now your homework is to do any activity. At least try any one activity at your home with your brother, sister, with anyone. Okay, and learn the rhyme, that is color song. Okay, students, and also learn the colors name. Okay, now students, stay connected with your school, with your teacher. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a good day.